Hi, I'm Matariki and I did the Digital Media Design Certificate in 2024. I've been looking for direction, I guess, a way to go in my life for the last few years. Coming into the certificate, I was unsure if I wanted to do more of a creative approach in the design sector or more of an information technology approach. And so it really helped me to lock in. I quite enjoy the creative process of it all. We did a platformer project, and it looked a bit blocky, it was a bit weird, but I guess my understanding of how characters move throughout worlds and how different objects within a game can interact with each other. That project's really where I got, I think, a lot of the foundations of how different things within games talk to each other and why it's important that they talk to each other. If you're interested in games but unsure if you want to pursue it, it's an awesome bite-sized thing to come in and test the water, dip your toe in, so to speak. I definitely recommend it.